Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today is a quick tip video on getting rid of notifications in Google Chrome. Every time I open Google Chrome up, I get these bloody notifications from YouTube and Facebook every single time, and they get really annoying. Especially when there's a lot of them. I just hate getting these notifications. So I'll show you how to turn them off. So go to your Customize tab at the very top here. Click on that. Click on Settings. In your address bar right up here, put / type content. Hit enter. Go to notifications. Expand this. So here's YouTube and here's Facebook. So let's get rid of these. So click on this. Remove. Click on this. Remove. And on this here, disable it. So everything is blocked. So you won't get these anymore. So that's all you have to do to turn off notifications in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.